If you're looking to restore your GM vehicle's radio reception, the ACDelco GMOE digital radio antenna is worth a close look. Designed as a GM recommended replacement, this antenna delivers strong, clear signals with built-in protection against interference. That means better sound quality and fewer dropped stations when you're on the road. What sets this antenna apart is its commitment to quality and durability. Made with tough materials, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions and regular car washes without losing performance. Plus, it's sealed to resist corrosion, ensuring it lasts as long as your vehicle does. ACDelco manufactures this antenna to meet exact GM original equipment specifications. That guarantees a precise fit, so installation is straightforward and your vehicle maintains its factory standard form and function. No guesswork, no compromises, just a seamless replacement part. Many drivers appreciate how this antenna keeps their radios sounding sharp. One reviewer shared that it was an exact match for their 2014 High Country model, and installation was easier than expected with a quick YouTube tutorial. Adding a silicone ring around the edges helped ensure a tight seal, preventing leaks and enhancing longevity. Another highlight is the cost advantage. While dealerships might charge $300 or more for parts and labor, the ACDelco antenna offers the same trusted quality at a fraction of the price. That's real value without sacrificing reliability or performance. If you want to maintain your GM vehicle's original radio quality, this antenna is a smart choice. It delivers the signal strength and clarity you need, backed by GM's own standards. Plus, it's built tough to handle whatever your daily drive throws at it. When you replace your digital radio antenna with ACDelco GMOE, you get peace of mind knowing your radio will perform like new. Clear reception, durable construction, and a perfect fit make this an upgrade worth considering. Try it when you're ready to bring your radio back to life.